If you choose connect to pool without cable, when you power your miner will release a signal, just like hotspot. Connect to the signal from Wi-Fi system. Go to the website listed on the screen. After enter into back end of your miner, click on System. Choose the Wi-Fi you preferred and enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Once you can no longer connect to the hotspot the miner released, means you have connected to Wi-Fi successfully. Then connect to the Wi-Fi same as your miner connected to. Go to find.goldshell.com. Find your miner and click little icon on the right. To unlock your miner, click unlock on right top corner. And the initial password is 123456789. Click unlock and you have unlocked your miner. Then click on miner and click add. Enter the information about pool's detail and miner name with password. Refresh the website and you can see the icon color has changed into green. That means you have connected to the pool successfully. This is the second way you can connect the pool. If you are interested in the other way, click the link on top right of this video. That can makes you go to another video about connect to the pool with cable. Thanks for supporting Goldshell and see you next time.